What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Colin, and today I got a leaking strut. As you can see, man, the hydraulic fuel is leak all over. This strut is toasted, so I'm about to switch that out today, and that's what this video is about. Alright guys, so let's get into it. First thing first, I'm gonna get a 36 and I'm gonna take off the axle nut. Once that is off, because that's one of the main things, you need that off because you don't want to mess up the axle fighting with this strut. Then it's a 12mm to get the brake line off of there. Once you get the brake line off of there, you can disconnect the ABS line from off this back of the strut, and basically you're gonna just disconnect everything that's connected to the hub, or if you want to call that a splinter, or that's a 17mm right there for the outer tie rod end, and it's a 19 for the control arm in the bottom right there where I'm taking off right now. Once all of those is off, I'm gonna get a hammer and I'm gonna hit it right there until it jump out like that. Once that is out, I'm gonna do the same to the bottom. I'm gonna hit it until it's jumped out. And once it move a little bit, I can see, alright, okay, I'm gonna use the pry bar and pry it up, and then I'm all set. I want to hit this a couple times at the top. I didn't hit it on the control arm because I know my control arm is good, so I didn't want to mess it up in any way. And then right here I'm locking the vice grip on the back of this sway bar link, so I can knock that off with the gun. And right here I'm knocking out the axle. Once you get that out of there, I'm about to open the 117mm that's in the back, that hole in the strut, and the hub assembled together. That 17 that was back there, that thing was really tight, man. That's one of the tightest bolts that was on there. So I have to do it like this to get it off of there. Once it was loose enough, I just put the gun back on there and take it off. And from right there, I'm using my pry bar to pry down on it a little bit, and as you can see, it was coming down. So I'm gonna just get the hammer and just knock it down the rest of the way. But first I'm gonna get something to put under the bottom so that it don't fall down, cause that thing is real heavy. Once it's done like that, you try to secure it, tie it up or something so it don't fall off of there, because you don't want to mess up your brake line or your ABS sensor. Once you're doing it like this, you have to like tie the whole thing to the control arm so it don't move, or if it do move, it cannot fall. Okay, now that I got it all tied down, I'm about to take out the strut out of there, and all I have to do is open all 3 nuts on top, and all I have to do is just take this 2 clip off, and it will give you access to the nut, and they are 14mm. And that's what they look like. 3 of them in there. About to get those off. And once you start taking off from the top like this, you have to remember that it's nothing on the bottom holding it, so you have to just prepare to catch it at the end. And here we go. Now I'm out with the old one. I was happy that I didn't have to really do too much to get it off, because I see a few people take more stuff off, and I was like, oh man, that's gonna be all day. But I was happy that I was able to get it out this way. I'm about to match it up and make sure it fit right, and put in the new one. Now I'm looking at it and make sure everything. You got everything from the old one and on the new one, and then I'll be able to say yes, it's time to go back up. And it's a specific way that it go back up in there, so it's not just any 3 hole that's fit. It's a one-way thing. Once I line it up into that 3 hole that is supposed to be, and you just sketch the nut on top, and then you have to me, what I did, I just pack wood up until the whole splinter and the up come up closer to the point where I can bolt it in place. And or if you got a jack that you can jack it up, but that's what worked for me at the time. So when I get it in place, and I mean, I'm ready. Put some WD-40 back on this nut before I put it back in there. Tighten it up. Alright, now that's that all tightened up, I'm about to put the accent in place. First I put it back in, line it up, and then turn the rotor to fit in the slot. Push down on this to get the lower control back into place. Then once you use your hand or something and just hit the bottom of the rotor, it's just gonna sit right in there. And then from here, all you have to basically do is just tighten up everything, and that would be everything, man. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, man, please leave a thumbs up. You know what I mean, for more videos like this, man. If you didn't already subscribe, please hit the subscribe button down below, man. Appreciate it, guys. Alright, and everything is all tightened down, man, and that's the strut that's in there now. Thank you guys so much again, man. Peace out. See you on the next video.